And so we got a full charge. We're ready to go. I'm going to take it out right now and see how it does on a car tire. All right, see you in a minute.
Okay, I've already hooked it up, and I let some air out of the tire so I could do a real test on this thing. So anyway, I'm at 27 pounds. So let's give it a shot and see. Okay. Now I notice it is going up a little slow, and I suppose that's expected for something, you know, this compact and small. So now we're up to, well, that ain't bad though, 29 pounds already. That's pretty darn good actually. So we went from 27 to 29.5, and we're 29.8. We're now at 30 pounds. Actually, I'm very impressed. I didn't expect it to pump the tire this fast. 30.7, 30.8, and now we're at 31 pounds. So we've already increased the pressure roughly 4 pounds. Point 0.6, 0.9, so we got 31.9, now we have 32, we got 1 more pound. I've got it set to go off at 33 pounds. Okay, we got 32.6, 32.7, and it shut off exactly at 33 pounds. So it did really good. The unit itself it's not warm at all. Nothing's hot. Nothing's even hardly. It's not even warm. So it's doing great. Very impressed with it, and highly recommend it, folks. So if you like what you see, you know what? I'd buy it. It's a neat little unit here.